All right, so today is the day, and we have been waiting for this day for months now, and our truck is finally done. Anyway, he ran over here because he left his card in the car. But yeah, so today is a super exciting day. So I'm going to show you a little bit on like what we're doing and what we're getting together. And so anyway, it's been a long time coming since we got this truck, and now it is finished. So we're getting it fueled up, and we are gonna go clean it and get it ready to actually go out and work. So a lot of fun, exciting things happening this week, and yeah, so anyway, I have some more stuff coming too on phlebotomy, but I just figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a life update on what I've been up to and that sort of thing. So very exciting. There she is, right there, getting dropped off by the tow truck. Couldn't keep fueling it while it was getting worked on, so we had to get it towed, but yeah. He's gonna drive it out of here for the first time in months. He has not driven this thing, and I know he is so excited right now. I'm excited for him, honestly. So, exciting day today. Finally, we're out of this joint. And I know he is so happy to be driving it because we just put that thing on back on there. Very exciting day. There it goes. I'm supposed to be handling the hose, and he's over here being anal. Every time this happens with the car washes, I just let him. Especially with his new toys. Jesus. Literally. Every time. I'm supposed to be helping him, and he keeps taking the hose from me. Every time. Never fails. Not even worth the argument. Oh my goodness.
Man.
Oh boy.
Oh shit.
Don't fall. Don't do that, please. And we just finished, and he checked the hose again. Anyway, she looks pretty now. She's like nice and shiny. Now we have to clean the inside. Kevin.
Oh.
What's up? Oh, he just wants his big booty rubbed. Oh my goodness. What's that? You're almost like Conan number 2. Yeah? You like that? Just push all your weight on me, huh? It's dirty inside. It's nice and clean. It's from my wet feet, but nice and clean now. The battery died from us leaving the doors open. Are you happy?
Yeah. Sounds so